Is that included, or are they going to charge me for that? Cruise newbies and even seasoned travelers ask this all the time. So today I'm breaking it down, what's free and what's not on Royal Caribbean. If you want to avoid surprise charges and get the most out of your cruise without spending more than you have to, you're in the right place. Royal Caribbean charges $15 for room service unless you know this secret breakfast hack. And those $200 specialty dinners, I'll show you how to get them free just like the casino insiders do. Here's how. Hi, I'm Pam, and this is where I help you cruise smarter, cheaper, and more comfortably, especially if you're cruising as a retiree or someone with mobility limits. Let's dive into what's included on board and what you'll pay extra for. We just got back from a cruise on Mariner of the Seas, and these are the things from Royal Caribbean. First thing, main dining room meals. You can eat in the main dining room for breakfast and dinner every day and lunch on sea days. It's included, and you can order as much as you want. Yes, you can
Live
order
your
2
best
appetizers
You're
and
on
2
a
desserts.
vacation.
Next thing that's included is the Windjammer Buffet. It's an all-you-can-eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's casual, it's quick, and yes, it's totally free. Just watch for the rush at the peak times because it can get really crowded sometimes. As you can see, I'm showing you some sample items that are on the buffet, and they change them every single day. Mariner of the Seas had a hot dog stand where you could get hot dogs and brats anytime you want. The next item is the Cafe Promenade and Sorrento's Pizza. Craving pizza at midnight? Want a coffee and croissant at 6 a.m.? Cafe Promenade and Sorrento's are open long hours, and both are free. Just skip the specialty coffees if you're watching your bill. A lot of ships have a self-service ice cream machine by the pool. Royal tends to serve you, so hours can be limited, but you can pretty much get a cone whenever you want. Next up is entertainment and shows. All of the main entertainment, like theater shows, game shows, comedians, and live music, is included. Just reserve your seat if you can for the popular shows. The pool, the walking track, and all the hot tubs are included. The solarium is an adult-only area. It is quieter and is perfect for seniors or anyone trying to avoid the loud kids' splash zones. Hey guys, we're really trying to grow our channel here. If you could please help us out by hitting that little subscribe button down there and ring that bell so you'll be notified every time we put up a new video. It would really help us out, and more travelers like you will find our videos. Trivia, dance classes, movies, karaoke, all is included.
Of matter. What's called the smallest unit of matter?
There it goes. Oh, almost.
All right.
All right, so it's been a while since we played miniature golf, but hey, it was a lot of fun, and guess what? It's free too. The sports areas where you play basketball and soccer, you're right, it's free. And yep, those slides are free. And the flow rider is also free. You don't need to spend a single dime to stay entertained on a Royal Caribbean cruise. And forget the little ones either. They have a playscape over here for the little ones, including hammocks for the parents and adults. Royal Caribbean typically charges $7.95 to $9.95 service fee, plus an 18% gratuity for room service orders that are placed outside of breakfast hours. However, Continental breakfast room service is free if you order it for delivery in the morning using the door hanger card or the app. Many cruisers mistakenly assume that all room service costs money, but breakfast is the exception. What costs extra but might be worth it? drink packages. Alcohol, soda, bottled water, and specialty coffees are not free. You can buy a drink package or skip it and pay a la carte. If you don't drink much, skip the drink package and try the drink of the day. Want a steak at Chops Grill or sushi at Izami? Those are extra cost restaurants. You can share a plate or go for lunch instead of dinner. It's cheaper. Specialty dining packages like the Ultimate Dining Package can cost $200 or more per person for a 7-night cruise, giving you access to premium restaurants such as Chops Grill, Izami, Jamie's Italian, and more. While these experiences are excellent, you don't have to pay full price to enjoy specialty dining. How can you get it for free or cheaper? First of all, in the casino. If you play in the ship's casino, even at low stakes, you might earn comp specialty dining or even a free dinner for two, especially if you sign up for Club Royale. Loyalty perks. Crown and Anchor Society members, even at the lower tiers, often get BOGO specials for dining or free meal vouchers. First night specials. On embarkation day, specialty venues frequently offer discounts, sometimes 50% off or kids eat free just to fill the seats. Dining events. Some ships will host a tasting event or chef's table that are included with certain packages or loyalty statuses.
Hi, welcome to Johnny Rocket. Let me explain about the menu.
Okay.
For the food, we have a small cover charges only $15 plus taxes. You can have one starter, one burger or sandwich, one dessert with unlimited soda. If you have a deluxe or refreshment package, the shake will be included, otherwise it costs extra $5.90.
No diet Dr.
We have a diet Dr. Pepper.
You do?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a miracle. How much did you say it was?
It's like $15 plus tax.
The coffee at Cafe Promenade is included, but Starbucks drinks on boards cost you extra. Bring your own caffeine fix if you're picky. Royal Caribbean's Wi-Fi is fast, but not free. Prices vary by day and number of devices. I usually skip it and enjoy the digital detox or wait until I'm in port. Gratuities are either prepaid or automatically charged to your room account. About $18 per person per day. You can adjust them at guest services anytime during the cruise if you want to. We usually give a cash tip to those that wait on us or give excellent service. You can do that on top of your gratuities or instead of. It's all up to you. Excursions through the cruise line or third parties cost extra. You can explore ports on your own for free or cheap. Just do your research ahead of time. Watch our channel for some great ideas of what to do in ports on your own or if we decide to do an excursion. Most excursions are very overpriced, so make sure you do your research. All fun, all extra. The spa is beautiful, the casino can be lots of fun, and the arcade is super popular with kids, but budget for it or skip it entirely. We play a lot in the casino now, and this has earned us lots of free cruises. We never go over our budget though, so budgeting is very important. 2, 3. Come on, it's worked 3 times. Do one more time. Come on, baby, come on. Aw, boo. $227, so I'll take it.
That's over 500.
Woohoo! And our points just passed over 400. I was trying to finish out Prime on this cruise, and I did, but here's some of our fun wins, and I will have a whole video about the casino coming up. Cruises are amazing, but only if you know what you're actually paying for. Now that you know what's free and what's not, you can cruise smart, stay on budget, and still have an incredible time. Coming up next, I'm sharing cruise packing hacks to make sure that you pack exactly what you need and leave behind all the stuff that you don't. See y'all in the next one. Bye now.